Have you been wondering how to use fennel essential oil? Well, in ancient Rome, warriors were said to have eaten fennel to prepare them for war and grant them strength in battle. But hang on, and I'll tell you how you can use fennel essential oil. I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Now, fennel is an evergreen perennial native to the Mediterranean, though it's now typically grown in herb and vegetable gardens across the globe. Known for its licorice flavor and aroma, fennel produces flowers, fragrant leaves, and most importantly, fennel seeds. Fennel essential oil is steam distilled from these seeds, but how can you use it? Well, one of the most common uses for fennel essential oil is in the kitchen. Give a sweet or savory flavor to any dish by adding 1 to 2 drops of fennel essential oil. Now, I recommend adding fennel essential oil to homemade sausages, sauces, dressings, and dips, meats, soups, or any dish that calls for a subtle or distinct anise flavor. Fennel essential oil has a potent flavor, so start small. I suggest starting with a toothpick and adjust to taste. The naturally sweet flavor of fennel essential oil is perfect to satisfy a sweet tooth when trying to avoid processed sugar and sweets. Add 1 drop of fennel essential oil to water, tea, or green juice for a sweet, delicious flavor when those sugar cravings hit. The sweet aroma of fennel essential oil makes it a great companion in a soothing abdominal massage. After a really filling meal, apply 1 to 2 drops with 10 drops of fractionated coconut oil topically to the stomach and massage in a circular motion. Now, here's a few more uses. Take in a capsule or in water to help ease nausea or flatulence. Are you breastfeeding? Use in a capsule or water to increase your milk supply. Combine with grapefruit and massage over affected area when trying to relieve water retention. Or put a drop under your tongue or in water to curb hunger as needed. You can use fennel essential oil topically, aromatically, and internally. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.